Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to charge your Chrysler Pacifica battery. First, locate the 12-volt battery, which is often found in the rear cargo area behind a panel. Before you begin, always make sure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is firmly engaged. For your safety, it's crucial to wear protective gear like safety glasses and gloves. Now, let's connect your battery charger. First, securely attach the red, positive charger clamp to the positive battery terminal. Next, connect the black, negative charger clamp to a clean, unpainted metal ground point on the vehicle's chassis, away from the battery. It's important not to connect the negative clamp directly to the negative battery terminal to prevent sparks. With the clamps connected, you can now plug in and turn on your battery charger. Set it to the correct voltage, usually 12 volts, and the appropriate amperage for your battery type. Keep an eye on the charger's indicator lights or display to monitor the charging progress. Once the battery is fully charged, turn off the charger, then disconnect the negative clamp first, followed by the positive clamp. To maintain your Pacifica's battery health, regularly inspect the terminals for corrosion and clean them as needed. If you have a serviceable battery, check the fluid levels periodically and top up with distilled water if they are low. Proper maintenance can extend your battery's lifespan. And speaking of making things easier, if you're looking to simplify your meal prep, check out the leak-proof containers linked in the description, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.